hide dynamic island on iPhone. So here is the process. Here's just an example app called Pixel Pals. You will see dynamic island with it. In the top, you will see some digital pals running around. Just as with any other app, to hide dynamic island, you need to go to settings app, and in the top, just search for this app name, which has this dynamic island, and then go to that app and turn off live activities. It's called live activities. I don't know why is that instead of dynamic island, it's called live activities. And then this way you just basically turn it off, and then it doesn't appear anymore. If you go to the app, nothing is happening. So that's just how I turn it off. It's sometimes it can be, you need to know which app to search for in settings app. For example, sometimes I just didn't know which app is causing this dynamic island. So that's just what you have. But basically, yeah, you turn it off this way. There is no way to turn off dynamic island for all apps. And very often it's enabled on by default. So that's just like the feature here. So yeah.